Welcome back, Taylor Cooks. It's a Friday night and it's stir fry night, and a good friend of mine, Julie Gould, said you need to do more king prawns. Hey, king prawns just for you, Julie. This is a really easy one, by the way, and anybody can do this. I know I say this all the time, but it really is, and it's your basic ingredients. So, chilies, garlic. This is going to be a sticky, sweet chili. It's going to be amazing. It really is, and it's so quick to do. So let's have a look where we are. Let's get the things on that take the longest to cook first of all. Bit of oil in. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get the mushrooms in a minute. Just let that oil come up to heat. We've also got other things that we need to do. So I've got to peel some onions. You've seen me do it a million times. And obviously it's a stir fry, so we want it slightly chunky, don't we? For those people that are watching overseas, Julie is a singer from Wigan, in the northwest of England, so watch out for her. So let's get the things on that we need to get on. First of all, that's going to take the most amount of time. I'm going to get these mushrooms in because we want the mushrooms really chunky, don't we? Chunky and crispy, lovely stuff. And same applies for the onions, but I'm not going to put them in just for a minute. As I said before on the last impromptu one, we're getting some fantastic comments, which I think is brilliant. People are liking what's going on the channel. I'm enjoying cooking it for you as well, just to show you how easy it is to make things, really, to be honest, and how to make nutritious food with no E numbers in it or anything like that. And also showing you how quickly it can be made. Now, if you're watching this and thinking, I could never do that, you could, honestly. Trust me, very easy to do. And you say, oh, it's okay for you. You've done it all your life. Not really, because I'm not dead yet. Anyway, never mind. Let's get that done. So if there's anything special that you want me to pop on the channel cook-wise, drop me a line. You can find me on various platforms now. Instagram, Taylor Cooks channel. You've got Taylor Cooks channel on Facebook as well. You've got Taylor Cooks on Twitter. So you'll see all these first of all. Get a little bit of ginger in. As you know, I'm a big fan of ginger. Bit of salt, bit of pepper. Alright, this is how quick it is to do, so. Okay, sweet chili sauce, here we go. a little bit of wine. Not too much, I just want it to coat it. Wow. Okay, let's plate it up.